check this out. Look what OnePlus sent me for their media kit. And this is the media kit they send out to press to review their phones. And I have to say, it is one of the nicest looking, coolest kits I've ever received. Let's open it up. I love it. Look at the amazing packaging. So right away, OnePlus 9 Pro 5G, OnePlus 9 5G, the two models. And yes, co-developed with Hasselblad. Hasselblad for cameras. In other words, like some of the best camera equipment you can imagine on this planet. They've helped make this camera. So one of each phone, the cases, and the charger in this awesome kit. It is such a cool kit. I can't get over the incredible packaging and the whole kit. All right, let's check it out. Wow, that's cool. I love that they spell out right away, NFC detection area, and here's where the wireless charging happens. All right. Nice. Okay, so this is the OnePlus 9 5G. It's 12 gigabytes of RAM. It is 256 gigabytes of storage space, and this is Astral Black. I love the color. It's very unique. It actually looks a little blue to me. There's a cool color to it. We'll go through the rest of the package in just a sec. Let's start with, I'm not gonna cover that. Let's see what else is in the package while we're going forward here. Nice little pull tab here to pull everything up. And there's charging cable, charging brick. I have to say, it's nice to see a company still including the charging brick. It's a little disappointing hearing that some people are getting rid of that, but I will say that I admit, we don't necessarily need charging brick with every phone when, things are definitely changing. So I've never owned a Hasselblad camera yet, maybe someday. So this will be my first, I guess. Check that out. That is Morning Mist, and it is one of the nicest looking phones I've seen in a long time. That is impressive. And just look at that camera. Well, the camera array, it's beautiful. Very nice. That is a beautiful phone. So once again, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage space. So big enough that you can put pretty much anything you need on it. Backups are always good, but Wow. And again, there is a screen protector on this, so I believe that's just how they come. I haven't had a OnePlus before, so I'll have to verify that. I'll put it up in the notes below, but I would bet they come that way now. I think it's pretty important to have a screen protector. There we go. And once again, I'm going to use OnePlus Sans because I think it's beautiful. I will try on this one the navigation gestures. So, to be honest, I've seen these gestures in other phones, pretty normal. All right. Wow. I just love that home screen. And this whole plastic or ice, it looks like shiny ice coming together. That is beautiful. Inevitably, the first thing I'm going to check out, of course, is the camera. While using the app, of course. Very cool. I'd love to know in the comments if any of you are regular users of OnePlus, or if this is you checking out OnePlus to see what you think. Lots and lots of features. All right. This is a beautiful phone. I'm very impressed. Okay, let's take a look at the cases because I love when phones come with cases. I don't like having to hunt for them. I don't need anything too fancy. But but that is very nice. I love the texture, kind of the carbon fiber style case. Wonderful. It kind of feels like a fabric. I don't know how else to describe it, but that is amazing. Beautiful. You will never drop this phone if you have this case on it. That's fantastic. So this one is called the Sandstone bumper case, which totally, I get the Sandstone part. And then this one is carbon bumper case. So carbon fiber, I was pretty dead on there. Curious too, what's your favorite? I love the carbon fiber because I love the sheen on it, but for practicality, I kind of love Sandstone because it's a cool gray, and on top of that, it's gonna be so easy to hold. Okay, let's open the wireless charger. I love a good wireless charger. Okay, so that's clever. Right away, I can say I love that it has a little fan to keep it from overheating. Very nice. Simple, elegant, something I can actually see me setting beside my bed. Very impressive. I really like it so far. I'm very impressed. As phones go, it's cheaper than some of the competitors, but it has some epic features. I will be doing a full video with both phones, showing off some video quality and some pictures and everything else. Let me know in the comments what you think and which one's your favorite, which one you're thinking about. Let me know any questions you have, and I will be happy to answer them and see what I can tell you about the phones. But so far, very, very cool. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, no wait, there is one more thing. This is the coolest killer feature. There's a switch. So in regular mode, I can switch. And you can switch it between vibrate mode and silent mode. So you always know what mode it's in. It's either in ring, silent, vibrate. That is slick. That is very cool. So otherwise, this is your volume rocker. That's obviously just for the ring mode, and then that's your power button.